Hi, I'm Donna Davis along with Frank Polagrudo, the owner of Decks and More. Thanks for being here today.
Thank you, Donna. Thank you for having us.
So we're going to talk about one of the nicest projects that Decks and More has done, and this one is up for an award. So tell us about the project, Frank.
Yes, well, we initially talked with a young lady by the name of Miss Jackie, and she wanted to create an outdoor living space. And she wanted two distinct areas. One outside where she can cook, grill, and entertain guests and family. And then a covered side, just in case with all this rainy weather in Georgia, she can, move the party and entertaining to the inside, but still be protected from the elements.
Yeah, kind of that indoor-outdoor. Let's take a look at what the project kind of looked like to begin with. So this is kind of what you were facing when you got there, right?
Absolutely. So what we're trying to do is, we came up with about 3 to 4 different designs, and on the third one, I think we nailed it. And basically, we had a steep hill, which is a very unique situation. Most houses sit on a hill. And then we had to remove the old retaining wall, thank God, but it was still a big old mess to deal with. And then the next step was to build a nice retaining wall so none of this earth would come back crashing in. And then the next step was to start building and start framing for a new deck.
Wow, this does look like, this looks huge when you look at it like this. So this is the middle beam installed for better strength and support. So tell me
Yes.
about some of the construction there.
This area was roughly about 14 by about 50 overall. And so we had a curved area on the porch there. And because it was 14 feet, we decided to put that middle beam. You can see that at the very bottom in the center.
Yep.
That's holding up the joist. So you got support at the end wall and the other end wall and the middle support, making it look nice and pretty and making it strong and sturdy, because we are going to put a real stack stone fireplace in this thing too.
Yeah, I've always thought those have to be really heavy. Let's go to the next picture. Okay, so this is a little further into the project?
Yes, a little further in. So now you can see it coming to life. You see the retaining wall. You see the outdoor wood deck. You can see the covered porch being built. It's hard to see, but there is a herringbone coming into a V with the deck boards. But we're merging the two designs in together, but making it look nice and pretty, but a very distinct outdoor side,
Right.
open and covered, versus the screened-in porch.
Yeah. And voila, look at that.
Yes.
Gorgeous.
Beautiful, gable roof. We see a hint of a fireplace going above the roof. We have beautiful black rails, and just nice trimmed out columns. And I'll get into that a little bit later.
Yeah, that is beautiful. And another angle so that you can see she's got the nice outdoor living space that's just completely uncovered, and then this wonderful screened-in porch.
Yeah, and absolutely. Like the main thing, and we have some nice, beautiful features. The black aluminum rails, all the columns are trimmed out with PVC. We have that curved retaining wall, the fantastic fireplace, which you'll see a little bit more of. And then on the inside of the porch, you'll see the tile floor.
Yeah, that is really pretty. I love that curved retaining wall when you see it in motion after everything's done. Okay, so tell us a little bit about this. I love the ceiling.
Yes, well, what we love to do is we love to use the best finished products we can to give it more of a high quality, better finished look. So we use the highest quality beadboard we can find. We manufacture those beams on site, mill them on site. The fireplace is hand chiseled. I mean, it takes roughly about a week to make these fireplaces. The mantle's custom made. We actually took a piece of cedar and our guys actually fabricated. My project manager takes pride in hand making all these rustic fireplaces.
And you said that's beautiful.
Yes. And then, like I said, we're finishing it off with LED low voltage lights, LED recess lights, beautiful custom tile floor that Miss Jackie had to get hands down to her because she picked out some beautiful wood tile floor that's all the rage.
So yeah, so it looks like wood, but it's actually tile, right?
Yes, and that's the beauty of it. It's like I said, there's a better look at it. It looks like it's a wood finish floor, but it's a
Absolutely.
solid floor, protects it from the bugs coming up, but gives you a nice, clean, crisp and finish. And there you got a beautiful picture of the fireplace. The mantle, hand chiseled stone,
Yeah.
just makes it a beautiful outdoor living space.
Yeah, and I love the large couch that just stretches out. You can imagine how comfortable you could get just sitting out there watching
yeah.
TV or watching the birds.
Yes.
What a beautiful space.
Well, then, like I said, in this fall weather, everybody loves football. You have the great TV and the ceiling fan, great for enjoying in the fall weather as well.
And what's most important, how happy was Miss Jackie when it was done?
She was ecstatic. You know, when you have
Yeah.
a project like this is what we call, a masterpiece. I mean, the attention to detail, the trim work, the mitering, the 3-piece crown set on the columns, every little attention to detail we take pride in. If it doesn't look right, we rip it down and replace it. So if you want something to be proud of, to show off to your friends and family, feel free to give Dex and More a call. We're here for you. We want to listen. We want to learn. We want to design something that's going to best suit your needs.
Yeah, and it's dexandmore.biz, right?
Yes, ma'am.
For more information.